G'day everybody, welcome back to the Empire of Dorks, and it's me, your chief nerd, Greg, from Authentics. We are doing another unboxing. This is actually the last one for the year. Everything that you see on display at the front here is going to be available sometime in the next 200,000 years. I think I'm going to do all this again. Yeah, well, I didn't. All right, let's do this. G'day everybody, welcome back to the Empire of Dorks, and it's me, your chief dork, Greg, from Authentic Collectables. We're doing another unboxing. This is actually the last unboxing of the year. We're basically second week of December right now. All of these are actually about to hit the water, as they say. And as per usual, whenever we get a new container coming down, they air freight us a whole bunch of cars to have a bit of a look at. We're going to take you on the ride through this sort of stuff. We've actually got 18ths and 43rds this time. There's a whole bunch of stuff to do. Let's go and rip them apart and have a look, shall we? Well, that didn't take as long as I'd expect. As you can see, there's a bit of a cavalcade of colour going on. What we might do is actually do it backwards this time because, hey, look, it's Christmas time. You can do whatever you want. We'll start with the 43rds, I reckon. Here we go, 43rds. Okay, so this Mustang is actually the sister ship to the other copper rocket that we've already released, which is the David Reynolds one. This is actually the Matt Payne Adelaide 500 winner from 2023. Obviously, if you're going to do the pair, you need to get the pair. A bit of an odd thing that we ended up releasing one and not the other. Just this one didn't happen to get into the container last time, so it's on its way now. And this is actually the Erebus 10th anniversary Camaro, as designed by Tristan Groves, our art director here at Authentic. There is actually another car in this list in the 18th scale that we'll have a bit of a look at next. But definitely a cool car. If you're a bit of a fan of Erebus, they're definitely worth having. We've already done this in 18th as well. Definitely a bit of a winner. Let's go and have a look at his other work. So this is the other Tristan Groves special that we've got in the container coming down. This is a Mustang, obviously, commemorating 60 years of Mustang. Definitely a bit of a cool thing. This is also one of our special editions as well, so that kind of goes into that list of not only Tristan Groves specials, but also our special editions as well. I think it looks pretty damn good. He usually does a pretty good job. Let's go and have a look at some real cars now. This thing's mad. I love this thing. This obviously is a Snowy River Racing Mustang, as run by Tickford back in 2023, as part of the Better Darwin Triple Crown Indigenous liveries. I just think it looks mint. Out of all of the Snowy cars that we've done, I think this is definitely my favourite. Obviously, if you're a bit of a fan of Jayco, this is definitely one to get. There's a few other ones coming along that you'll probably want as well. Or if you're a fan of Tickford, or if you just like a cool looking car, this is definitely one to have. Let's go and have a look at some blue things now. More blue things, more Mustangs, more Courtney. Okay, so this is from the 2024 Adelaide Motorsport Festival. This car was driven by James Courtney at that event. Did a bit of a blast around and everybody thought it was cool, so we thought we'd go and do it. Was also driven by a certain F1 driver, and maybe we might be doing something with that in the future. Keep your eyes peeled for something about that at a later date, but definitely a bit of a cool car. So this is kind of part of the Ford Performance suite that was kicking around at the time, which included, I think, GT3s and the Dark Horse and a whole bunch of other stuff as well. I think there was even a drag car in there as well. So it kind of completes that sort of thing. We decided to do it because we think it's cool. Hopefully you'll think it's cool and you want to go and grab one. More blue things. More blue cars, more Mustangs, this time Penrite Mustangs, this time retro Mustangs. These are from the 2024 Penrite Oil Sandown 500. And these are obviously done in the Alan Moffat Blue Brute 33 XB hardtop livery, or based thereon. Quite a timely set of cars to come out, considering we just lost the great man not that long ago. And if you're aware of what we've been doing, we're also selling the Alan Moffat stickers. These have literally just arrived yesterday, so we'll be sending these out pretty much today, and then for a few days. There's about 3,500 to get through, so it might take some time. Be patient if you've already ordered one of those, and obviously proceeds are going to Dementia Foundations and stuff. Very cool thing that Will's decided to do. And yeah, these cars are obviously going to become part of that thing, and they're actually all going to be out next year. So you'll be waiting a little while for these cars to come. But yeah, stickers are definitely on their way as a part of the whole Alan Moffat thing. Yeah, anyway, let's go and have a look at some sprint cars. One for the sprint car fans this time. This is the long-awaited last cab in the rank for the High Limit Perth set of cars that we've been running for a while now. If you're probably aware of this stuff, we've just released the Callum Williamson and the Dane Kingshot cars. They're just about sold out already, which is pretty surprising. So this is the last one. This is the 23X Team Brady racing car as driven by James McFadden. I have a bit of a soft spot for this car. It's a bit of a local hero for us. The guys are basically, a couple of Ks away from us. So that's kind of cool to be able to go and actually photograph the real car, which is something I rarely get to do in terms of sprint car stuff. Yeah, definitely a cool car. They always are. Come on, you love them. And we'll be doing more of this stuff. We're definitely doing high limit stuff this year as well, so stick around for that sort of thing. Got a few other ones kicking around in the works, but yeah, that's sort of it for now. As always, like and subscribe, ring the bell for all the notifications that we're doing. A little bit of housekeeping. All of these cars will be basically turning up next year, because it's obviously second week of December. We're not going to get them out anytime soon. And we'll be having a little bit of a break over the course of the Christmas New Year period. So if you don't hear from us, if you email us or whatever, that's probably because we're on holidays. We'll be back in early in the new year, and we'll get back to it pretty much straight away. Apart from that, have a good Chrissy, look after yourselves, don't drink too much, don't go and do anything too silly, and we'll see you next year. Rightio, catch you later.